Hi Filmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create vlog storytelling videos with pacing, music, and text in the Wondershare Filmora mobile app. Filmora offers so many tools in the toolbox that can create such videos in minutes. One such feature is the AI Reel Maker. Click to open it. Select and import your vlog videos into the project. Now, before you generate the video, choose the video theme first. Since I am trying to create a travel vlog storytelling montage, I will go with travel. Then, for the mood, let us go with happy. You can keep the original sound, or Filmora will create the background music for you, and mix of both can be an option as well. Depending on where you are going to upload your vlog, select the aspect ratio. The music style can be chosen. Let me select country music. For the music instrument, I will keep it at auto and generate the video. 3 versions of the vlog have been generated. We will further edit the project. There is a tip for you. Transform fast-pacing videos, like running or jumping to slow motion, using the speed tool. Adding text into your vlog adds to the storytelling. You may choose from the ready-made text templates. There are categories like vlog as well as travel. So, find the perfect one, add to the video. You can further change the font and the color of the text as needed. I have another tip. With the help of keyframe animation, add camera movements in the video. The background music can be changed to your own choice with ease. So, the Filmora app can be the easiest way to create your vlog storytelling videos. Try the app today. Happy creating!